watch is how to do a table wrap. First of all, we're starting to do a lot of more custom design prints and everything. So if you want a custom tabletop wrap, let me know. Give me the dimensions. Email me at rmwraps@gmail.com, and I can walk you through it, and we can come up with a lot of unique stuff and fun things. But right now, I'm just going to show you how we're going to wrap this table wrap. So first of all, when you order a wrap, you get a squeegee and a knife. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Second of all, when you're doing an old desk or anything like that, I want you to clean it as good as you can. What I've done was I sprayed down a cleaner, and then once everything's all nice and clean, get the edges all around. Next, the wraps will come pre-cut in the middle, and it's going to be overlapping. So we measured it, and it's going to be nice and straight. Next is you're going to pull back the backing at least an inch or two, doesn't matter. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it back and you're going to tack it right on there. You're going to hold this vinyl down, and you're just, like I said, you're just tacking it on. That's all you're going to be doing, is tacking it on. So it's not moving around. Next is I want to make sure everything is wrapped all the way around to the edge. And that's where I'm going to wrap it around. The reason why I picked these colors is I want to show my customers all the quality and the prints of this. Also, this is an air release vinyl, matte sheen, and it's designed to lift up and move back down. Very simple stuff. High quality vinyl. Next, I'm pulling the backing down. I want to say about six inches. I'm doing a 45-degree angle, and that's what it does. It forces the air bubbles this way out. And if there's an air bubble in the middle of it, it's no big deal. You just kind of massage it, and it takes it out, because that's one reason why it's called air release vinyl, because it's designed, if there's any air bubbles, you just massage it out. Okay. So pull the backing down a little bit more, and you get a little rhythm going. Just pull it like this, keep on going. And if you do get a huge air bubble in, like right over here, no big deal, you pull it up. For the desktops, I'm going to start advertising more and more. Actually start putting some cool designs for your desktops. And this stuff is very durable to work with, and it really updates the look of your tables. And honestly, if you get tired of it, you can pull it off and put something new on. No big deal. Okay, let's go on the next side. Just pull it up, just enough to do it, pinch it in, and start working this way. Try to do a 45-degree angle, like I said. Takes the air bubbles out. And what I'm doing, I'm kind of lifting it up a little bit and pulling it this way. And I'm not pushing really hard either. I just have enough to make a taunt. And anyone can do this. I mean, it's pretty simple stuff. And that's the reason why I'm doing these projects or selling online, because an average person can do this. And yes, I am skillful at the vinyl world, but in my honest opinion, an average person can do this. Okay. So on the corners, what I can do is I usually pinch this right here And I know where, well, actually, you know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna pull it down. And I'm gonna keep on going. And you really don't need a squeegee on this. I like using my thumb and know exactly what it feels like. Get the little air bubbles out. Okay, I'll grab the knife and be careful. I normally go up, right up to the corner, just like that. Same thing, let's go. And you just kind of walk your way all the way around. If you've got any comments or questions, comment down below. Okay, here's another one I'm going to do. I'm going to grab this right here. I'm going to walk it up. And call it good. And last and least, what I like to do is cut the excess off. This doesn't have a lip, so some tables have a lip. You look all the way around. This one just doesn't. And I'm going to walk it. And I don't, just take your time. No big rush. It's not a race or anything. And that looks like a really nice clean edge. Okay. I'll finish this up, but if you got any comments or questions, comment down below. Let me just walk this through you real quick. You are? Okay. So that's what it looks like. So if you want something, if you want a unique table wrap, and this is only a sample of what the colors are, give me a call or actually email me at rmwraps@gmail.com, and I'm going to start putting more designs and fun things on my website, rmwraps.com, and I'm going to probably put table wraps or tabletop wraps. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.